Hello and welcome to the Daily Investor's Guide. If you're looking to stay ahead of the markets with practical, up-to-the-minute insights, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for daily market updates and actionable investment strategies. Let's kick things off with a snapshot of the last couple of days. Global markets have been on a roller coaster, with European and US stocks bouncing back from last week's volatility. The mood is cautiously optimistic, but trade tensions, especially fresh tariffs between the US and China, remain front and center. Today, markets are focusing on three big stories. First, the US Producer Price Index data will give us more clues about inflation and the Federal Reserve's next move. Second, here in the UK, investors are watching the latest jobs report, which could shape expectations for possible Bank of England rate cuts later this year. And third, big companies like Johnson & Johnson and Bank of America have just posted solid earnings, giving some support to equities. But sectors tied to China and pharmaceuticals are under pressure due to ongoing tariff threats. We're seeing the pound and Aussie dollar strengthen as the US dollar softens. Gold and the Japanese yen remain popular safe havens, while oil prices are swinging with global demand uncertainty. So, what could move markets next? Pay close attention to the US PPI data. If inflation looks hot, the Fed might stay cautious about cutting rates, which could send stocks lower. The UK's jobs numbers could influence how aggressively the Bank of England eases policy, potentially impacting the FTSE and the pound. And keep an ear out for tomorrow's speech by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Hints about interest rates could spark sharp moves across global markets. Here are three things investors should consider today. Stay defensive. Stick with sectors like healthcare and consumer staples, which tend to weather economic uncertainty. Maintain some cash or safe havens. Use gold or the yen for protection against unexpected shocks. Watch for breakouts. If the Fed hints at rate cuts, growth stocks and emerging markets could rally. In summary, markets are holding out hope for good news, but volatility is likely to stick around. Stay flexible, keep an eye on today's key data, and don't forget, sometimes the best move is to wait for clarity before jumping in. I'll be back tomorrow with another update. So hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, what's your top investing concern this week? Like, subscribe, and share for daily financial insights. Thanks for watching and happy investing.